So today we are going to learn how we can model this kind of net very easily and in short time. Let's start. Let's take a box, then go to front view, then press S and Z to scale it in Z axis, then rotate it, then press G and grab it and place it somewhere like that. Then press Ctrl A, all transform. Then we can use that mirror modifier. Let's adjust it properly. Sure. Then apply it. After that, we need to delete this sides. Then select any one part. Then just place it little offset like that. After that, you have to select this whole border. Then right click. Then we can use this bridge edge loop tool. The division we need to increase. Yep, happy with that. After that, go to the front view again, duplicate it, place it side by side, and combine it by pressing Ctrl J. Same way, we have to bridge again. So right click, bridge edge tool, then increase the count. Then we have to go to here in the modifier section, and now we are going to use this array modifier. Place a value properly. Then we have to increase a value, like how many we want. Select the model and use array modifier again. So this time the x-axis we should give a 0 value, and in the z-axis we can use 1. Now just increase the count. So like that we can make a neat, very easy way and very fast. Hope you like it. See you in the next video.